How many glad that he got up? How many glad he got up? For just 2 split seconds. Just 2 seconds, those of you that glad he got up, and you know he got up because of you. If you're glad he got up, open up your mouth and give him the highest praise in this place. One more thing. While the Spirit is here, shake 4 people's hands and say, I'm glad he got up. 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 I'm glad. All right. For that Sunday morning, look at somebody and say, all right, that's it. That Sunday morning, that Sunday morning, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. God bless you. God bless you. Gospel Songbirds. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. All right. Don't you have it? All right. All right. Look at your neighbor. Look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, I know it's been rough, but this is your year. This is your year. The Lord is going to bless you. Bless you. Hey! Hey, that's enough. Let's go. Let's go. Amen. Amen. Let's go. Let's go. That's enough, no it ain't. Every day I did ain't enough. Now listen, y'all. You owe him a praise. You owe him a praise. Because I'm a good guy. I'm going to give you one more chance to give him your dance that you owe him. Y'all ready? Get up now. Get up. Get up. Get up. You owe him the praise. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right.